I want to show you 3 tips on using a tape measure correctly. When you're hooking over an end to measure, that measurement should be precise. So we've got 298 millimeters here, which is the middle of this board. If you were measuring up to a stop end, which I'm going to position at the end of this board, the tape measure is pushing, not pulling, and the hook is moving by the thickness of itself. And as you can see, if you just look there, we've still got 298 millimeters. Now, if there wasn't that little bit of play, then the measurement would be inaccurate. So leave that as it is, never be tempted to super glue that because it's there for a reason. And then using the hook of the tape measure, I'm lining the edge up and I'm putting some tension on it. So with my hand here, I've just got that tension in it, and I'm taking care that I'm not curving the tape measure as I do it. Then with a very light pencil mark, I can use that like a straight edge, and the tension stops it burring in. So that's your second tip. Third tip, when you need to mark off an existing mark and you're not hooking the tape measure or pushing it up against something, forget about the 0 point and let your tape measure just hang off the piece. So you see here to the end, I'm just letting it come off because I don't want the hook now to interfere with things. It makes it more difficult to get my tape measure where I need it to be. So this is now becoming just like a straight edge ruler, and I'm going to choose, it's really any arbitrary marking, but I usually go for a 10 mark. So you've got 40 there, and I know that I need to mark 32 millimeters off either side of that. So I've just gone 10, 20, 32, and then here 10, 20, 32. The pencil's running out, but you get the idea. And that's giving me my 64 millimeter spacing, which is what I need to drill. So there you go, 3 tips on using a tape measure. I hope that's helpful. Do comment if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching.